Okay, so welcome back to Online Access Academy, and in this video I'm going to show you the WhatsApp affiliate marketing or WhatsApp marketing strategy that I'll show you guys. So first of all, I'll move quickly to my WhatsApp and then show you something that is working for other people's, and they are making a tons of money with this method. So you can see that my WhatsApp is still updating, so I'll let it update itself, and right after that I'll move to one of the groups that is doing what I'm going to show you right now. And okay, so the name of this group is Test Consult Ghana, so I'll move to it and then show you the strategy that most of these people are doing to make money online. So what I will show you is that you can scroll. I will scroll slowly to show you guys. So you can see over here somebody is selling iPhone 7 Plus 128 gig, battery health is 100%, and you can see, and 92% available with for only 1,400. You can see, so most people are still consulting these people for their help. So you can see most people are still uh, buying from these people. You can see over here that people are buying, and this is not a scam, this is real. And when you try to purchase this, they are going to have or deliver this item to you guys, so it's not a scam. But whenever you are trying to purchase it, you must be very careful, because most people on the internet right now are scammers. So you can see over here somebody is selling this, and over there you can see this. So what these people are doing, that is that it's not like they own this items over here. All they need to do is to go to the app called gg.com.gh. I've made this video on my YouTube channel before, so if you miss anything, I showed you how to create an account with gg.com, so you can come back to this platform and you can see these tons of offers over here. So you can go and search for laptops, and when I search for laptop, they are going to bring me a lot of laptops that I can promote to make a lot of money. You can see the laptops that they are promoting, some of them are available over here. So it's not like you must own these items. So whenever somebody's try to purchase anything from you, all you need to do is to come back to this gg.com over here, and let's take it that I want to promote this laptop, new laptop 8 gig core i7 HP laptop over here. So okay, let's move to the cheaper ones that most people can afford very easy. So what I need to do is that I need to move to some of these WhatsApp laptops, search through it and then read through it, because some of them are fake, or some of them they have been used before. So you can see the condition of this laptop is being used. So I don't want the one that has been used. We want the brand new ones, so that we can become free. So you can see that this laptop is going out for only 4,900, closer to 5,000 Ghana cedis, and which is $500. You can see over here the new laptop stream laptop is 4 gig RAM and core i7 and 1 terabyte hard disk. So you can see, you can come to this section and you can click on that, and you can see the images over here. So all you need to do is to save some of these images on your phone. So whatever device that you use, because I'm using an iPhone, but if it was an Android device, the save button will be here. Okay, so you can see over here, but the save button is not here because I'm using an iOS. So when you're using an Android device, the save button will be on top of this side where it says save this section, where you see the times over there. The save button will be there. So all you need to do is to click on that, and then you save this images on your device. And right after saving it, all you need to do is to come to this platform where it says WhatsApp, and whenever you lay your gig over here and you try to share it among all these platforms or WhatsApp groups that on your phone. So whenever somebody deliver from you, all you need to do is to take the details of this person and come back to this platform where it says GG and begin to contact the person. So let's take it that this person is selling it for 5,000, so you can make the price to be 6,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, so whenever somebody order from you, all you need to do is to come back to this platform and contact the seller. So you can see over here, write a message, write your message. You can see over here it says write your message. So you can see, you can ask the seller that is it available. You can see over here that is being indicated, or you can ask for the last price, or can ask the seller to call you. So any of them, you can choose to start the chat with them, and when the person replies to your chat, you can even beg for reduction for the person. You can negotiate with the person so that he or she will deduct the price for you, and when he deducts it for you, that means you're going to make a huge amount of money. That's how most people on the internet right now, on WhatsApp, are using to make money. So you can use this strategy anywhere in the world if only these marketplaces are available to you. So you can see there are a lot of tons of laptops over here, and this is not the only category over here. I can go back and then search for another item, clear history. So I can go back and search for another. So you can see the niches are over here. So you can even go for vehicles, properties. You can go for trending items that are trending on the platform: vehicles, properties, mobile phones, electronics and home furniture, sports and arts, fashion, beauty and health, seeking for CV. Or if somebody needs a job, you can even come to this platform and seek for a job, or find the person a job, and at the end of the day you can become a helper to the person. So this is what these people are doing. So you can go for mobile phones, and with the mobile phone they have all the versions of mobile phones over here. So you can go for mobile phones over here, and its accessories. So you can choose to go for the accessories, or you can go for the mobile phone itself. They are all fine. So the only thing you need to do is to become wise, sir. And you can see the brands are over here. We have Apple, Samsung, Huawei, Google, LG, Techno, Infinix and other brands over here. So you can see when I choose Apple, they are going to bring all the devices that have under Apple. So you can see that this phone over here is iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is 256 gig, and the color is blue. You can see over here it's going out for 6,700 Ghana cedi, and the condition over here is being issued as used, as you can see down below. And this one is brand new. You can see over here it says brand new 15 Pro Max. So you can see it's brand new, and all these items are here. You can go for it and then promote them and make tons of money online. So this is how basically people are making money with this GG icon and the help of WhatsApp. So that's how most people are making money with this platform. So if you have any question, don't forget to drop down all the questions, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to Online Hustlers Academy. And you can see over here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell, so that whenever I drop one amazing video like what you are watching right now, YouTube will not omit you or will not isolate you. They are going to notify you guys. So you can see over here, this is my channel over here. So I have made a video that talks about this before. So you can see this video is what I was talking about, how to dropship using WhatsApp, start your own business today. So you can see over here, this is the video that I was talking about. You can click on that and watch the full details over here.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel once again. My name remains Richmond, and welcome back.
I'm using a phone to record the phone version of this video. So as I said earlier, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video to reach to more people, and until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now, and see you in my next video. Stay safe, guys.